Hello students of class 7. Welcome back in my video number 8. Today we will start our work in copy. As I have told you that you will take blue interleave separate copy for biology. This will be your copy. Hope you fill the contents of this copy. Hope you have made the index and a title page of chapter 1. Okay, I will show you how fill the index. Turn your page. This is your index. You made the 4 columns: serial number, date, topic and teacher's sign. Write the serial number 1 over here, put the date over here. This is your chapter number 1, nutrition in plants, short question answer. Okay, turn your page. This is your title page. It is not necessary that you make the same title page. You can use your own skills for that. Okay students, now come to the work. On page number 10 we have 2 categories of question answers. This is your book and page number 10. One is short question answers and other is long or detailed question answers. One more important thing is that for writing the question you will use the black pointer, and for writing the answer you will use blue fountain pen, and for headings you will use blue or black cut marker. Okay students, give the heading of short question answer like this, and write the question number 1 from the book. This is your question number 1. All animals depend upon plants for food. Justify the statement. Okay, this is your question number 1. All animals depend upon plants for food. Justify the statement. Answer. For answer you will use blue fountain pen. Okay, I will read it for you. All animals depend upon plants for food. We can justify the statement by the following facts. Number 1. Some animals eat plants directly. Number 2. Some animals eat other animals which feed on plants. 3. We usually eat vegetables obtained from plants. Number 4. We make jams and jellies which are made from fruits of plants. Number 5. We make bread from wheat which is obtained from wheat plant. Write the answer with blue fountain pen and write neatly. Okay students, now come to the question number 2. Actually this is what is photosynthesis, which is already present in our long question also, so we just skip it. Come on question number 3. Question number 3 is mention the significance of chlorophyll and sunlight in photosynthesis. Okay, write down the question on next page and use the line page for writing the question and answer. Leave the interleave page. Okay, this is your question number 3. No need to change the number. Mention the significance of chlorophyll and sunlight in photosynthesis. Answer. Give the heading of significance of chlorophyll and sunlight in photosynthesis with black pointer or cut marker. Okay, I will read the answer for you. The role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis is vital. Chlorophyll, which reside in the chloroplasts of plant, is the green pigment that is necessary in order for plants to convert carbon dioxide and water using sunlight into oxygen and glucose. Okay students, now we will write the other question. Your question number 4. Question number 4 is differentiate between saprophytic and symbiotic plants. Write the question with black pointer. Differentiate between saprophytic plant and symbiotic plants. Differentiate. Okay, for that we will make 2 columns. One column is for saprophytic plants and other column for the symbiotic plants. Okay, the first point of saprophytic plant is saprophytic plants get their nutrients from dead and decaying organic matter. Come to the symbiotic plants. Point number 1 is these plants grown on other plants and share their food material. Number 2, these plants grow on rotting material and their nutrients and get their nutrients by tiny hairs. Get is missing over here and you will write get over here, and get their nutrients by tiny hairs. Number 2, one of the plant is an autotroph and thus it can manufacture its own food from sunlight. The example of saprophytic plants are rhizopus, means bread mold, mucor, pin mold. The example of symbiotic plants are lichen and mycorrhiza. Okay students, now come to the question number 5. The question number 5 in your book is, what are the end products of photosynthesis? Write the question with black pointer. What are the end products of photosynthesis? The answer is, I will read it for you. The end products of photosynthesis are: number 1, glucose, C6H12O6. Number 2, oxygen, O2. Number 3, water vapor, H2O, through the process called transpiration. And the question number 6 is, what is unique about lichen? You will write the question with black pointer. Okay, leave one line before writing the answer. Answer number 6 is, lichen are formed by the association of algae and fungi. So they are modified organisms. And this is a unique character. The fungi provides water and shelter to the algae, and algae provides food by photosynthesis for fungi. Okay students, come to the next question. Your next question number 7 is, what do you understand by parasitic plants? Give an example. Write the question with black pointer. Give the heading of parasitic plants with black cut marker or blue cut marker and write the answer. Parasitic plants do not make their own food. These plants get their food from another green plant known as host. Parasitic plants suck the sap from the stems of the host using their special parasitic roots called hostoria. The common example of parasitic plant is cuscuta or dodder. Okay students, now come to the next question. Question number 8 is, how do plants get carbon dioxide and water? You will write the question with black pointer. How do plants get carbon dioxide and water? Answer. Carbon dioxide enters the leaf through tiny pores called stomata. Water is absorbed from the soil by small root hairs in the ground. There are special conducting tubes called xylem, which carry water to the food, making cell in the leaves. Correct the spelling of carry. Okay students, now come to the other question. Okay, we will not do the question number 9. Come to the question number 10. What are insectivorous plants? Give an example. Okay students, give the heading of insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plants are the plants which derive nutrition by trapping insects. They derive nitrogen from the trapped insect because the soil where they grow does not have enough nutrients, especially nitrogen. Therefore, they obtain their nutrients from the insect's body. Example, pitcher plant. Okay, students, come to the next question. We took it from the long question answer. What are the essential conditions for photosynthesis? Do not write this. ठीक है? The question is, what are the essential conditions for photosynthesis? Okay. We will write the answer. What are the essential conditions for photosynthesis? You will give the heading Essential Conditions for Photosynthesis. The conditions required for photosynthesis are: number 1, water from the soil; number 2, sunlight; number 3, carbon dioxide in the air; number 4, a green pigment called chlorophyll. Okay, students, here we have finished our short question answer. We will continue the long question answers section in my next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.